Hello everyone, this is Ramakrishna Guntupalli. In the previous video, we have created the database of our project, and now we are creating GUI of our project in a Microsoft Web Expression. In GUI, we need to perform all these tasks, which are display all the terms, select a term and display the students, select a term and display all courses, remotely add one term and remove a term. So for that, we need to install Microsoft Web Expression from Google. Already I have installed. So by opening Microsoft Web Expression, you can see the web page like this. So we need to create the new site here. So for that, you can see now here you can see the new site. Click on it, and it will ask the location and name of your site. I'm just giving randomly, or else you can change the name and the location by click on browsing. I'm I'm choosing the randomly and click on OK. So after creating the new set, it will show the folder list. Here you can see all the folders which you have created. This is the folder now I am created. Double click on that. So you can see the design, split and code, three options here. In the design phase, you can see the design of our GUI, and in split option, you can see the HTML code which has given randomly given of our GUI, and down you can see the design of our GUI, and in code option you can see only the HTML code of our GUI. So I will choose split so that I can see in my HTML code and uh, design of my GUI. So now we need to perform all the tasks which are given in our variant. Display all the terms, select a term, and these are on the remaining. So now I will show how to create. Now I will show how to create all those terms. Click on layer, drag and drop layer here, and expand it. I'm aligning it in the center, and I'm entering Bradley University. Here you can see the text alignment. So by clicking on that, you can insert the Bradley University name in the center. And here in left side, you can see the tag properties and the CSS properties. These CSS properties are used for background change, font size, font color of our GUI. And in right side, you can see the toolbox and the snippets. These are the options. Uh, you can change the background color here. I'm changing now. I will show how to change more colors. Okay. Now you can see the background color of our layer was changed, and by scrolling down, you can see the font style also, font style size for our GUI. I'm increasing the font size here. So now you can see the font size also increased. And now I will insert Bradley image here. So for that we need to drag and drop image. Click on that. You can see the CSS properties here, and you need to download Bradley University image from the Google. I have already downloaded, and see the location where you saved the Bradley logo. Click on insert and click on OK. I'm decreasing the size of this photo. So this is how we can uh, insert the image. So now we need to perform all those tasks. For that we need to insert layer, drag the layer here. I'm creating a table which is add student in a particular term. Uh, After drag and drop layer, you need to drag and drop form in the layer, expand it to the full, and now this table is add student in a term. So for that we need student name. Uh, for entering a student name, we need to insert input text here. Yeah, input text, and we need student ID, and also we need course ID, course number, term name, and year. After entering all the details, we need to insert one more box which is input submit. And also one more box which is reset. Drag and drop reset to here. Yeah, by entering all the student details and click on submit, we can add a student in a particular term. And now I am creating one more table which is display all the terms. So for that same we need to drag and drop layer, expand it, and also same fill that layer with the form, drag form full of the layer, and display terms. For that just we need submit button. You can see the input submit button here. Drag and drop submit here. So by clicking on submit, we can see all the terms which are offering, and the third table is students enroll in a particular term. So for that we need to do the same, drag and drop layer here, expand it. The table is students enrolled in a term. So for that we need term name, and input text, and we need submit, submit button, and reset button. Yeah, and now we need to create one more table which is display courses offered in a particular term. So for that we need to drag and drop same the layer, and fill the layer with the form, display courses offered in a term. So for that we need term name, and drag and drop the input text, and we need one more button which is submit and reset. Yeah, and we need to create one more table which is remove student in a term. So for that we need to do the same layer, drag and drop layer here, expand it, fill the layer with form, drag and drop form into the layer, and fill the layer with the form. And this table is remove student in a term. So for that we need student name, drag and drop input text, student ID, course ID, course number, and term name here. And also we need one more table, one more box which is submit. So drag and drop submit from here, and also reset button. So this is how our GUI looks like. We can change the background color uh, from here. Just I will show for one layer, background color, and I'm giving the red. So this is how our GUI looks like, and here you can see the code and GUI of our project, and in code option you can see code of our GUI. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.